Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a logo here on Wix. Let's begin. The Wix Logo Maker is a tool provided by Wix that allows you to create professional logos for your brand or business with ease. Now, it uses an artificial intelligence or AI to help generate custom logo based on your preferences. Once you're logged into your account, if you sign up already, all you have to do is click the Get My Logo option here, and you would be forwarded to this page. You have two options. You can create a logo for yourself or hire a professional designer. We're gonna deal with that later, but for now, we're going to create our logo for ourselves using the tools that they have. Now, you can create your logo and brand, just answer a few questions or chat with AI to get customizable logo designs for your website, social media, or branded merchandise and more. We're going to choose the two options, but for now, let's start chat. Just wait for it and type your question here. Press enter to see what we got. Okay, so that's gonna be Jeep Labs YouTube channel. I'm gonna press enter. Let's say that's gonna be how-to video. It'll take a little while. Okay, so that's that. And chat and continue. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now it's creating logos for you. Just wait for it to load. It'll take a little while. Now, the idea is it is incredibly useful and intuitive, making it perfect for beginners who may not have any graphic design skills. I'm not good in graphics, but as you can see, Wix will help you with that department. You can choose from this. All right, so we can use this one, or these are going to be some of the other icons that we can choose. I have my own logo, but we're just trying to use the Wix Logo Maker. How about we use this logo for now? It's strikingly it has a very easy logo. Now here you have gonna be checking the logo from a different perspective. This is gonna be for desktop view, the laptop, and the mobile view, checking for responsiveness. All right, all I have to do is click this button that says customize your logo. Let's do that and wait for it to load. You're gonna be forwarded to the Wix editor, wherein more than a logo, you have all of these options. Now for the color palettes, you can choose from any of the design options here. All right, a beach bonfire, baby flamingo, autumn leaves, and antique. So it's up to you. I'm gonna leave it to you. You can create a new design if you wanted. Business card. You have the option for the social post, social media covers, loading templates for now. And of course, you have all of these. Twitter head, YouTube banner, Facebook cover, LinkedIn professional or personal, LinkedIn company, and Etsy banner. Now after doing so, I'm gonna click on that for now. And if you're happy with this, you can add in text, shapes, and add images if you wanted. Upload an image. I'm gonna use my site files here. Upload media. Once you're happy with that, it's being added to your logo customization. Click to add logo. All right. So there, that's one way for you to create logo in Logo Maker. Click on next. Now, you can do more with your logo. You can have a branded website or branded social media tools. But if you don't want all of this, you just need a logo. Click that. And of course, you would be forwarded here wherein you have to select the option of subscription plans. Is it going to be advanced, which is going to be $50, the basic, which is going to be just essentials, or the $20? You have full commercial usage rights and high resolution logo files. All right, it's up to you. Now we're heading back again to wherein. Now I'm switching back to the main homepage wherein we're going to try to hire a professional designer, get matched with a professional designer to create a custom logo for you. All right, let's do that. Now you will be forwarded to a separate page wherein I'm gonna put them something here for deep laughs. If you want to skip that, you're welcome to do so, but we're just gonna explore our options. All right, how about we skip that and go here? It's the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna type in my full name. That's gonna be the Deep Laughs email. Click on that and finding professionals that match your need. Wait for it. As you can see, once you have submitted your information, your project request was sent to 3 professionals. All right, they'll reach out to soon to discuss your budget, timeline, and needs. One is going to be the Phoenix Marketing, Graphic, and Web Design, to LMT Design, your design guys. But of course, you can also send your project details to more professionals. How about we look for something here like the DBC agency? We might want to click on the view profile. You see, these are going to be some of the projects that she has worked with. If you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on contact. And again, just have to fill in as much as information as you can. And from here, as you can see that Wix provide simple customization for the logo process. You'll still maintain full creative control to ensure that your logo stands out and unique to your brand. The idea is that wherever you prefer, creating a logo for yourself or hiring a professional designer, the Wix Logo Maker is an excellent choice if you're looking for a fast, affordable, and customizable way to create professional logo for your brand or project. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.